brand new day.
Jazzing up some bagged oatmeal with it.
Melissa made me some oatmeal, spiffied up oatmeal. Got some granola in there and stuff. And I'm finishing editing yesterday's video. Alright, tomorrow's video is exporting. I guess we're going to start cleaning up, right?
Yeah.
Give a quick walk around. That's what we got going on for a site. Not too bad. This is our toilet here. Anyway, we'll clean up and be on the road. Today we're going to make it all the way to Joshua Tree. Here we go. Need a little bit of cranking, okay.
Good morning, day 2.
The funny thing is that was the fake first start because I started the truck and it fired right up like gloriously. And I was like, oh, I got to get that on video. And then I videoed it and it's like crank, 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 crank.
Universe, you know?
Yeah. Anyway, we're headed to Joshua Tree. So, peace out, Saddle Mountain, I think. Saddle Mountains or something like that in Arizona. I think that's where we're at. Anyway, we're on the road. There it is. Parker, Arizona.
Yep.
Fleet side, long bed. We're at the Elks Lodge going to a thrift store. This is going to be the theme of our cross-country trip. Thrift store to thrift store. That's why I get to get the cap on the truck and hide all the vintage in there. Expect to see a lot of this on this trip. What you got there? Cake pan? Says $2. We'll see if we can negotiate. We pulled over on the side of the road here. We're in California now. We pulled over because it kept shifting and downshifting. Because California has a rule where you have to go 55 miles an hour if you have a trailer. So at 55 miles an hour, the truck with the trailer is like, I want to upshift. No, wait, I want to downshift. No, wait, I want to upshift. And it does that over and over again. So I tweaked some things. So we'll see if that makes a difference. But yeah. Anyway, Melissa's coming on screen. And we're going to hit the road again.
Bye.
Bye. Look at these things. Like two of them here. Very interesting. Like twins. They have air conditioning. This is, what is this, Joshua Tree Lake Campground? We're just scoping it out. There's the showers over here. Melissa went to go find the women's bathroom. But beautiful mountain views. Made it here at like 2:30 in the afternoon.
Jazzing up the leftovers.
Yep. What are we doing? We're adding
More pasta and actually making garlic bread this time.
Yeah, we're trying to get the oven fired up. I swear I fixed it. It doesn't seem like I fixed it right now, but I swear I fixed it. Here's our cozy bed. We put
That's the love shack.
yeah, it is. Put the whoopee up on the back window. Kept us nice and warm. But I've been out here setting up while she's been getting cooking. We're mostly level. We're a little not level, but close enough. Just the awning up. Melissa helped me slide that thing on there. I'm so hungry. Let's try the oven.
But it's not lighting.
Alright, I'm gonna troubleshoot this.
Off the heat, let it wilt the spinach.
Oh. This is our dish situation. I filled this up in the shower with hot water.
This is like lukewarm.
Yep, it's not too bad. But we're pretty much done now. Just what's the name of this place? Noah's? We're signed in. There we go. Starts with a little catamaran sticking out of the ground with some sort of bell or something hanging from it. We're gonna have a look around here. Yeah, that thing looks cool. Now you change the art. You're a part of the art now. Side, I think, is where that picture was taken. Yeah. Oh, poor guy. Yeah. What are these, all newspapers? The walls are made out of newspapers. This is some weird shit, I tell you. There's a truck chassis here. This place is weird. Anyway, this is a Joshua tree. I don't know anything about Joshua trees, but that's what this place is named after. Got like the trenches down there. This bridge with a gap in the middle. Oh, there's a Melissa. It's just like the weird displays. There's a bush behind me. Stepped on a Joshua tree bush. What's this one called?
Ode to Frankie.
2000. It's a 24-year-old art display. Yeah. These bacon trays? Okay. But do you think... Yeah, Melissa got this. She nailed this. This is a bridge, apparently. San Francisco Oakland Bridge. Do you think it's a real bridge, though, and it was moved here? Or do you think this is just like art that...
I have to be PC.
I don't know where you're going with that. We can edit this out. Just say your mind.
I think you're retarded.
Definitely leaving that in the video. I mean, it could be a real bridge.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's cool.
What are these, bowling balls?
Yeah.
You're bowling, 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 bowling. Yeah. Weird. Wicked weird. Got a whole bunch of shelving here.
Fallen, 1994.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, let's... Got us out here looking at some weird stuff, Melissa. I know. What is going on there? What's the other side of that looks?
Oh yeah, it's open.
They got heads on this side? No, this is the toilet.
Oh, that's great.
Voting booth. Ah, how appropriate. Let's see what it looks like in 99. Does it feel safe? No. Oh yeah.
That's fine.
This floor is not to code. We've come to look for Skull Rock. Well, we know where it's at because it's where all those people are at. Very populated place. There's Skull Rock. Bless you. Look almost like a cone head. Got a big forehead. All right, Skull Rock. Let's see if we go watch somebody fall down on these rocks. It kind of looks like a skull.
No.
That's the face of Melissa. Not impressed. Not impressed. What are you thinking of this?
That's cool. I really like the way it looks behind you.
Bouldery out here. A lot of people here though. We are looking for Heart Rock now because Skull Rock was full of people and it wasn't really that impressive. And this is full of people, but we don't know if it's impressive yet or not. Yeah, it's busy up in here. Lots of peoples. I found Heart Rock. There it is. We found Arch Rock. It's too many people though.
Yeah, it's like annoying.
Yeah. It's like little baby Arch Rock. Melissa's feeling under the weather.
Yeah.
She's still.
Over fucking stimulated.
Yeah. Still throwing it down though. What do we have, man?
Sweet potato, Brussels sprouts, pork chop. I'm about to throw onion into this. The mushrooms, I mean, in with this.
Melissa's getting violent. She punched the dang door slider. Now it don't work.
I was trying to kill a fly.
She was trying to kill a fly, but that's violence.
I do. I get violent when it comes to my food.
We did have delicious dinner. Still having it.
Yeah. Not too shabby for being frustrated.
Yeah, she's sick. Sucks being sick because I had the same sickness a few days ago. I know exactly how she feels. It sucks.
Yeah.
It's like head pressure. But she can still cook. Not broken, just sick.
I'm just hungry. Fucking soft.
Good
You're
morning
fucked
from Joshua Tree.
up. Good morning from California.
Yeah, we are.
Headed to Hollywood!
Yeah, we're headed to Hollywood. Original McDonald's today. Museum?
Yeah, so it's,
Yeah, it's a museum.
First McDonald's.
It's like the
they turned
first.
into a museum.
About posting up the camper. We got 2 options in play. And then Hollywood sign, Randy's,
And the Walk of Fame.
and the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Yeah. So,
We're playing today.
yeah, we'll see if we're going to get all that done. We might get some of it done. If we can plant the camper somewhere, it'll speed things up. Because it's a lot easier driving, especially around like LA. You gotta always think about where you're going and where you're gonna go next. We are partially cleaned up here. Melissa just made a fabulous breakfast. French toast and sausage. I was packing up the back of the truck. We're mostly ready to go, just have to hitch up. All right, guys, we're all cleaned up, hitched up, ready to go. Melissa batting down the hatches on the inside. Where are we going today?
Going to LA.
All the way. We're gonna go to the original McDonald's. That's
Which
our first.
is-
San Bernardino, something like that.
We're Santa Barbara. It's not Santa
San
Barbara.
Bernardino,
Yeah,
I think is where it's at. We'll
I'm
Google.
excited.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to the McDonald's museum. We're gonna eat some McDonald's.
So we're having McDonald's for lunch, which I'm okay with.
Yep.
I'll eat McDonald's for
If you
breakfast,
know
lunch,
Ralph.
and dinner. So we're all ready. We're gonna hit the road. We'll see you at the McDonald's museum.